Hi, it's Chris from Family Campervan Adventures. Got a little review of our new Milenco Quattro free wheel level ramps. We found on our last holiday the little like Fiamma type yellow ones. Say hello, Isaac.
Who is he?
Who's he? That's me. That was you.
What is that?
That's the video camera.
Are you talking to the video?
I'm talking to the video and it's still videoing it now. So little boy Isaac. Yeah, so last year we had our little yellow wheel chocks and they didn't on a real sloping site. They don't level the van enough. I'll probably put a little clip in a minute of last year. When we were at Slapton Sands Caravan Club site, and we were on a slope, lovely view, lovely site, just a little bit too sloping for our wheel chocks. And we saw on the camper van next door had some nice big wheel chocks, which seemed to level it up quite well. So we've got some of them, so we'll see how that go. We're a little bit slopey down here. I need to get bigger chocks like he's got next door. My chocks are hand-me-downs. They're not as high as I'd like.
My turn now, Mummy, like this.
And also with them, they've got the little lugs in them, so you can, you know what bit you're on. Feel it.
I
Wonder if that was an ex-RAC van in that colour. Here's the new wheel trucks in use. As you can see, we're only slightly unlevel pitch, and there's plenty more height there if we're on a hill. This side we're only on just on the bottom. So apart from having to store these, the amount of space they take up, I think these are going to work, because obviously when you're on site they're out the van anyway, and you can always store them under the van if you don't need them. So thanks for watching, and just check out the description below for a link to get these on Amazon. And if you want to see more of our trips, like this trip here at Bradford and Avon Beehive Field, then click the subscribe button below. Thanks again. Bye.